Today we're going to talk about rust removal, and we have a rust remover here from the concrete protector. It's a powder form. Just add water, and we've got several rust spots on this pad. As you can see, there's the culprit of that rust coming off that bumper and different other areas on the truck. So what I think I'm going to do is test the end of this driveway pad here where it's the worst, where the rust is the darkest. So let's go ahead and mix them up. So the instructions say to add entire contents of concentrate to 1 gallon of water, and for a small batch 3 tablespoons per cup of water. So I think we'll just make up a small batch right now. You get a cup, which is 8 ounces. I've got my 8 ounces of water ready to add in the concentrate. 3 tablespoons per 8 ounce. Getting ready to apply the rust remover. This is what it looks like now. Just got a paintbrush here. See what happens there. I'll just leave it in a circle here and see what happens. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to take the hose and just rinse at it, see what happens. Sometimes a little agitation really helps it along too, so it's been sitting there for a little while. Let's see what it does here. Making that rust disappear. Okay, there's the treated spot, and then right next to it there's an untreated rust spot. It definitely makes a difference. Well, pretty much took care of that rust spot at the end of the driveway. I'm not seeing it at all. Still have to treat the other spot there, but the worst of it was right there, and it's gone. Okay, there's a pretty substantial rust spot right there. Just going to leave that container of the rust remover right there, and I'll address that spot and see what happens. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I didn't scrub this spot at all or anything. I just put the rust remover on there, let it sit. Looks like the rust is about gone, but let me hose it off. Now that the water's dried up mostly, I want to show you the difference. That rust spot is gone. No scrubbing, just apply and rinse it off.